You know, I'm already hyped up on my s'mores frappuccino here. I'm gonna take another sip in a hot second, but first I'll give you my vibe check, and it was a 2 out of 5. I was not so blown away by the puns that were given. Low hanging fruit to give coffee puns on a Starbucks earnings call. You got some of those. You got plenty of them. But at the end of the day, too, I think it was light on some of the future details that investors would have liked to hear to really retain confidence, even at a time where reformation is taking place, or a revival, if you will, within Starbucks. They've got to sell a growth narrative, which is, I guess, what they were trying to position here for investors. But it's going to be interesting to see if the street buys that, Shauna.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, I do agree with you. I went with a 3 out of 5, so not much better, but slightly better. And the reason why I gave it a 3 out of 5 was, one, it was a very strong quarter. Going into this earnings call, they had a lot to brag about. They had a lot to really tout. We did hear that on the call from the CFO and also the CEO. It was also Laxman's first earnings call. I would assume, I would guess it's pretty nerve-wracking experience. I thought he did a really good job just in terms of laying out exactly how he envisions Starbucks evolving over the coming quarters and then getting to that longer term investment strategy. I thought it was something that maybe the street took as an encouraging sign at this point in terms of growing some of that future business. And also what they said about the new product launches. We spent so much time talking about the new olive oil drink, the Oleato, talking about the new pink drink, the Paradise drink. And they were saying that it was gaining some traction. I tried the Oleato, and Brad, I got to tell you, much better than what I was expecting.